life is rough. I take a look into the sky and think I wanna give up. Hardly ever having luck in this life I live. When I was little, man, I never thought it'd get like this. Cause I had dreams to grow up and blow up quick, but with an unstable home, how far can you get? It was me against the world, well that's how I felt. Remember getting beat down with extension cords and belts. I yelled help, but nobody around would hear. Come take a look into my eyes and envision my fears. It's all clear, the last one standing is me. That's why I give a special thanks to my G.O.D., the only one to heal me in my time of need. So if you think you heard it all, just sit back in your seat. So if you think you heard it all, just sit back in your seat.
Will it ever change? Over and over with the same. It's like time is just still. There's gotta be another way to live. Or will it ever change? Feel like I'm lost in a maze, and I'm about to lose my brain. I'm showing very straight, but I'm about to break. I tell you something's gotta change.
Man, something's gotta give in this crazy fucked up life that we living. I'm grinding hard for a better future, all for the sake of my children. And a nigga grew up with resale clothes and hand-me-down, but a nigga be damn, I live my life that type of way this time around. See, rapping and trapping equals to stacking, no capping. I had to get up off my ass and go and make something happen, because being broke ain't what it seems no more. If you ain't out here getting money, then you know it's no joke for real. There's gotta be some better way, there's gotta be some changes. Cause aggravation is taking its place up on my face. It's got me reaching for the real steel that's down up in my waistland.
Change over and over with the same. It's like the time is just as still. There's gotta be another way to live. Oh, will it ever change? Feel like I'm lost in a maze, and I'm about to lose my brain. I'm showing very straight, but I'm about to break. I tell you something's gotta change.
Man, something gotta change. Yeah. Man, something gotta change because I'm tired of this shit. Feel like I'm burning in the fire, double smiling and shit. This a cold, cold world, but they say I'm hot. They got the motherfucking laws flipping by my spot. Niggas be running they mouth and wanna hate on me. I'm just a fella starving out here trying to get something to eat. But why they blaming me for hustling when we living in poverty? They snatched the big house up from us, that's our own damn property. I lived a hard life, my mama did all she could. She raised 7 of us up, you tell me that ain't good. I never been the type of nigga on the job too long, cause my temper too bad, don't like them coming me wrong. And I ain't sitting back for shit, I'm a grinder rap. I know I gotta watch these niggas coming by my trap. It's so much fucked up shit out here going on. So tell me when it's gonna change, when we all gone.
Will it ever change? Over and over with the same. It's like the time is just as still. There's gotta be another way to live. Oh, will it ever change? Feel like I'm lost in a maze, and I'm about to lose my brain. I'm showing very straight, but I'm about to break. I tell you
Something gotta change, I'm tired of chasing this pain. Staying loyal to the game like crackheads to cocaine. How could you see the big picture when you lacking the frame? Niggas claim they down with you, speaking foul in your name. Tired of selling dime sacks, don't wanna move for no nicks. Wanna chill, lay back and move away with my bitch. Lost call my cell phone cause my dog is snitch. Now I can feel it in my bones when a nigga ain't shit. Mama feel it ain't help if I ain't got no job, but she don't do it by herself, that's why I grind so hard. When you feel there's nothing left, you can count on God. Newest thing on the shelf is the TYB mob.
Will it ever change? Over and over with the same. It's like the time is just as still. There's gotta be another way to live. Oh, will it ever change? Feel like I'm lost in a maze, and I'm about to lose my